Now time for a division. Read the do, please. We're halfway there. We know how to multiply by powers of 10. Now we need to divide. Division. The numbers are getting smaller. So do I move to the right or left? I move to the left. How many spaces? Well, I move to the left, and the answer is the same as for multiplication. I hop the same number as there are zeros. Let's try it. 2 divided by 10. 2. There's no decimal there. I do remember that there's an invisible decimal behind the 2. Now I need to move it to the right or to the left. Since it's division, I'm moving to the left. Count the number of zeros. How many spaces am I moving to the left, class? That's correct. My answer becomes 2/10. Remember that I like that 0 right out in front. Let's try the next one. Class, am I moving to the right or left? That's correct, I'm moving to the left. Count the number of spaces, count the number of zeros. How many spaces am I moving to the left, class? That's correct. Grab your decimal and hop 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. My new decimal lives right there. I have 2 blank spaces again. 0R hero, the placeholder, fills in those spaces. I'm not quite sure how to say this number, but I can write the digits down. And then I do remember that Mr. Acosta likes a 0 at the front. He thinks it looks prettier. Number 7. We're almost there. Do I move to the right or to the left, class? Count the number of zeros. Class, how many spaces do I move to the left? That's right. Grab the decimal. Make 2 hops. My new decimal lives there. I have 1 blank space. 0R hero, the placeholder, fills it. My answer now becomes decimal 0513. And a 0 in the front to make it look pretty. Last one. 3/10 divided by 1,000. Do I move to the right or left, class? That's correct. For division, I move to the left. How many zeros are there? How many spaces to the left do I move? That's correct. Grab your decimal, move 3 spaces, 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. My new decimal lives here. I have 2 blank places. 0R hero, the placeholder, fills them in. I notice I have 3 zeros and then the number 3. So I put the decimal, 3 zeros, and then the number 3. Mr. Acosta likes that 0 in the front to make it look pretty.